Well, on this nice rainy day, had a guy comment and ask what all I've had done to the truck and where I got all the parts. So it's got a LT4 Hotcam, comp cams, 1.6 roller rockers, LS6 Beehive valve springs, and the comp cam keepers. I'll put all the parts numbers for that in the description. It's got Patriot long tube headers. It's hard to see, but they go way back there. Exhaust, it's dual exhaust. It's into an X pipe into dual Flowmaster Super 10s. I've also got a remote start from Compustar on it. Do a quick fire up. And this is a factory 5-speed truck. It is a not factory with a 350. It originally came with the 4.3 V6, and I swapped it. That's why it's got the dash out of an automatic, because I did not have a 350 dash, because the V6 dash, the attack was way off. I've also camo wrapped the headliner. And that's just about it.